Welcome to the boat show. Today we're coming to you from Miami Beach. It's the Miami International Boat Show. We're at the HCB booth. Guess what we have here? The world's largest center console, the 65-foot Estrella. I was lucky enough to see trial before it actually debuted, and they've made improvements since then. Let's start right up here in the bow. First of all, we have this beautiful European lounger. Hey, great relaxation zone for you and about 10 of your friends up here. Of course, we have an actuated table, goes up and down. You can fill it in with a cushion, or you can take it and get it right out of the way. When we talk about the HCB, it's a totally custom yacht company. So when you want to trick yours out, you're going to get it any way you want. As you step down below, what you're going to find is a beautifully detailed cabin. The finest woodwork you're ever going to find in a center console yacht. So there's a dinette, which converts to a sleeper for two. Just overhead, there's a Pullman bunk for a crew member or maybe a couple of kids. And then there's a wet bar galley area. And as we move forward, you're going to find a master stateroom, beautifully detailed. And of course, the head has the same fine woodwork and a nice rainwater shower. So when we focus in on the Helm, what you're going to notice is there's seating for 5 up there. Beautifully detailed seats. And again, get them any way you want it tricked out. 3 massive Garmin array, and you have your controls for those Mercs on the back. We'll get to that later. So great visibility on this yacht, but most importantly, that whole Helm area, all those 5 chairs reverse around, and you have a beautiful dining area for about 10 of your closest friends for an alfresco dining experience. This really is a yacht. You know, yeah, it has the word center console on it, but really this is way tricked out beyond that. So the HCB Estrella has a length overall of 65 feet, and it has a beam of 16 feet and a fuel capacity of 1,730 gallons. She's going to be the first one to the fishing grounds and the first one back to the scales to weigh that big catch. Now let's talk about the back end of this boat. Honestly, let's talk about the options you have, because this is HCB Hydrosport custom boat. So you can set it up with a leaning post area with a rear mezzanine seat. Maybe you want a summer kitchen. You can trick it out any way you want there. Then you have plenty of space for fighting fish. You can actually put a fighting chair in there if you want. And then as we turn around to the transom area, you can have it set up with forward-facing seats. You can put live wells in there, or you can put removable coolers. You can option it out any way you like because it's totally custom. So when it comes to the largest center console yacht in the world, it's made by HCB, the custom yacht builder, Hydrosport custom yachts. You can get it tricked out any way you want it. What you should do, step aboard one, go see how you trick it out for yourself.